This is how you turn simple rice and veggies into the most satisfying Korean gimbap. Colorful, neatly rolled, and so good you'll want more with every bite.
Winnfrey's Kitchen!
For this recipe, I'm starting with rice, and this part is very important. You want to use short-grained rice because it becomes slightly sticky when cooked. You know that rice that inashikana kidogo kama ugali? That's exactly what we are going for because it helps everything hold together perfectly. For the seaweed, I'm using seaweed sheets, also known as nori. You can easily find this in Nairobi at places like Carrefour, Sarit Center, in the Asian section, or even supermarkets around Westlands and Yaya Center that stock international ingredients. Now, for the fillings, I'm using fresh spinach, 3 medium eggs, 2 medium carrots, and 3 sausages. In a sufuria, add 2 cups of water and bring it into a boil. Then add 1 teaspoon oil, a half teaspoon salt, and then add your 1 cup of washed rice. Give it a good mix, cover, and let it cook on low heat until it's soft and fluffy. Once cooked, let it cool completely. Then transfer it into a bowl, add 1 tablespoon fish sauce and 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. Give it a gentle mix and set it aside. Moving on to the spinach, I bring some water to a boil, add a pinch of salt, then drop some spinach and let it blanch for just a minute or 2. Right after that, I transfer it into cold water to stop it from cooking further and to keep that bright green color. Once it's cool enough to handle, squeeze out all the excess water, then slice it into strips and place it into a bowl. Season it lightly with a pinch of salt, sesame seeds, and a bit of oil. If you have sesame oil, even better, but olive oil or any neutral oil works just fine. Then I mix everything together and set it aside. Next, prepare the carrots by peeling them, slicing them, and just cutting them into thin strips. Heat a little oil in a pan, add your carrots, and saute them briefly just to soften them slightly while still keeping a bit of crunch. Once done, remove them from the pan and set them aside. Then I move on to the eggs. Crack them into a bowl, add a pinch of salt, a little chili flakes for a gentle kick, and beat everything together. Pour the mixture in the same pan and cook until it becomes golden brown. Flip on the other side and allow it to cook as well. Once it's cooked on both sides, remove it, roll it up, and slice it into thin strips. Once you're done, put them aside. For the sausages, shallow fry them in a little oil, turning them as they cook until they are nicely golden brown. Once they are ready, slice them into strips and set them aside with the rest of the fillings. Now comes the best part, putting everything together. Place the seaweed sheet shiny side down and spread the rice evenly over it, leaving a little space on top. Now start layering the fillings beginning with the spinach, followed by carrots, then eggs, and finally the sausages. Once everything is in place, carefully roll it up, keeping it nice and tight as I go so it holds its shape perfectly. After rolling, I slightly add a bit of oil over the top. This helps give it a nice shine, keep it from drying out, and just makes it look even more appetizing. Then, I carefully slice it into neat, bite-sized pieces, each coming out perfectly shaped with all those layers showing. Now, I start plating them up, laying each piece down carefully so those beautiful, colorful layers are on full display. Simple, neat, and so pleasing to look at. It's simple, it's beautiful, and it comes together so nicely. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more easy recipes like this. Bye!